Not a speck of light is showing, so the danger must be growing. Are the fires of hell a-glowing? Is the grisly reaper mowing? Yes! The danger must be growing, for the rowers keep on rowing, and they're certainly not showing any signs that they are slowing!
Silence, it frightens, it heightens, it might when I let it infect me, feel so high now, Where was I going with that? Doesn't matter. Such a mad hatter, why so angry? Such a bad hater, makes me wanna kill. Deep breath, so stressed since I envisioned, enlightened, in danger of nothing I might have felt like, don't know, can't describe it. Try to fight it, I'll just hide it underneath my skin. It's getting worse, I sin. Chosen for what? Exaltation? Expectations of joy I employ. Please, please don't ignore me, never mind. I'll find my own way up, but that doesn't work, does it? I just live to live, 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 to live for what? Nothing. That's why. It's an endless cycle of pain, misery. See, don't wanna find my way out of this. I wanna give up, I wanna give it up, I can't. Please help me give it up, I can't. I feel worse and worse and worse and worse and worse. And now what am I doing? I'm gonna give it up, I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna drop to the ground, dead on the floor. Don't ignore my please, please, I scream to help me, to help thee. Please help me. I see how. That's the way it's gonna be.